Peace. Ali. Coming back at you on behalf of sallyMyers.com and also our online metaphysical store, l9shop.com. Alright, in this video, I want to talk about 5 meditation hacks that you can begin today. And I assure you, if you start using at least 3 out of the 5, you will notice that your meditation will be deeper. You'll get more profound experiences. You'll be more relaxed and just all the benefits that come with meditation. Get 3 out of 5, I promise you, you'll be able to do that. So the first hack is same place, same time. Meditate at the same place and the same time. Now, depending on your schedule or depending on your lifestyle, this may be difficult for you to do. But if you can get into a routine where you're meditating at the same place, say your bedroom or an altar room or meditation room, at the same time, say 9 o'clock in the morning or 9 p.m. in the evening, but get in a routine of doing it at the same place, same time, what that does is it builds an automatic memory, muscle memory. Whenever you do something in the same place, same time, it's automatically going to force your mind into getting in position to do whatever you're trying to do. So if you're attempting to meditate, when you do it at the same place, same time, your mind is already focused on that particular practice. So try this out. It might take you a week or 2 to get acclimated, but I assure you, if you start to do it, you'll see major benefits in your meditation practice. Second tip or meditation hack is to use binaural beats, isochronic tones, or use nature sounds. Now you can use your headphones, especially with binaural beats, you have to use your headphones because one ear is going to give you one frequency, another ear is going to give you a second frequency, and the difference between the frequencies is the tone that you hear, and that's what makes binaural beats very effective. Now another thing about binaural beats is they sync your brain waves. So you can get an alpha wave binaural beat and you listen to that while you're meditating, it's automatically going to entrain your brain waves to get into an alpha state. Simply put, you get more relaxed because the alpha state is your relaxing state. So isochronic tones, binaural beats, or any kind of nature sounds. Another benefit of using sounds, especially with headphones, if you have small children at home or if you have a house that is very noisy, whenever you use headphones, it's going to drown out that noise so you're only able to hear the tone. So any kind of meditation tones are very beneficial, and that's another major meditation hack. Third meditation hack is to use incense while you meditate. Now, there are flavors that are automatically going to induce a meditative state or at least get you more relaxed. Another thing about incense and fragrance is anything dealing with aroma. There's a whole science called aromatherapy. The science behind that is whenever you smell something, it's automatically going to activate the limbic system. The limbic system is your seat of memory and is also connected with the pineal gland or the third eye. So whenever you smell particular scents, it's automatically going to trigger a meditative state. Now, some of the more popular scents that you can choose from for your incense are sandalwood, frankincense, myrrh, sage, and a host of other fragrances, but that'll get you started. And if you're in need of incense or you're having a hard time finding those particular flavors, go to our online metaphysical store, l9shop.com, el9shop.com, and we have a host of flavors at our online store. Fourth meditation hack, and this is more like a tip if you want to put it like that, but I recommend that you start small. Especially if you're getting frustrated, you're trying to meditate for 10-15 minutes and you just feel utterly frustrated. It's probably because you haven't worked your way up. Now, it's recommended as from me that you get a practice where you're meditating at least 20 minutes, but idealistically about 30 minutes. But if you're not meditating consistently, then I don't want you starting all the way at the deep end and going for a half an hour. So for this fourth tip or hack, what I recommend is that you start small. Start with 5 minutes. If that's too long, start with 3 minutes. Do that for a week. Then work your way up to 10 minutes. Then work your way up to 15 minutes. By the end of the month, you'll be at 20 minutes every time you meditate. So wherever you are, if you're frustrated, if you're having a difficult time, cut down the minutes, start meditating for just 5 minutes and work your way up from there. So that's the fourth hack, is start small and work your way up. Fifth meditation hack is read and watch things about meditation every day. Read and watch something about meditation every day. Whenever you're focused on something, whenever you consume your consciousness with something, your spirit is automatically going to put you in a conducive state in order to make that happen. So if you're reading about meditation, you're watching videos, YouTube is free. If you're watching all these things, reading these things on a daily, consistent basis, your mind is already focused on meditation. So when you go to meditate, you already have the quote unquote positive energy towards an outcome of meditation benefits. So start reading, start watching, even attend lectures, free seminars, whatever you can do, just consume your consciousness with information dealing with meditation. So this has been Ali. If you want to find out more information about myself and what we do, be sure to visit my main website, salymyers.com. If you're in need of metaphysical tools, supplies, incense, altar, rituals, magic, and all that good stuff, check out our online metaphysical store, l9shop.com. That's el9shop.com. So until next time, this has been Ali. Peace.